How do you program your stress mindset? First nga is define mo yung stress as a neutral entity. It's not positive or negative. Tapos, huwag mo daw i-stress yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na you don't care about. Kasi maraming mga ganun tao. Huwag ka na-i-stress sila sa buong mundo. May kliyente akong ganyan. Araw-araw siyang stress kasi araw-araw nanonood siya ng news.
Yun din ang goal ng network eh. Para dumami yung kanilang views. Mas maraming views sa mga negative news kaysa positive news.
There are 3 steps to adapting stress is enhancing mindset. First step niya is acknowledge stress. Kailangan maging mindful ka daw dun sa stress mo. Stress ako ngayon. Dapat alam mo. Pangalawang step yung sinasabi mo, welcome stress. Do I care about this stress? What is it that I care about here? Third step, number 3 is utilize stress response. Achieve the things you care about. Do not spend time or money trying to get rid of the stress.